Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO 5G, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now by double click on the power key button we can launch the camera app, and here on the left side we have the side key, and now just by one click we can take a screenshot. By double press we can use the Google Chrome app, and by long press we can launch the WhatsApp app. If you want to turn off all of these options from the power key and from the side here, so we should go into the settings app. After that, tap here to the gestures and keys section to turn off camera, quick launch camera from power key. You should click here on the switcher, and now just by double press we can see that we have now activated the camera app. And here, just to change the power side key options, just tap here, click to one click, and switch it to no operations. By the same way, by double click you should just switch to no operations, and now by one click we can see that the side key just doesn't work by double also, and the power key is turned off successfully too. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.